All right, guys, here we go. Flawless Baseball, random players, number 23. Congratulations again, Web AA, Lethalization, and Carlos 42468. All three of them won a spot in the Transcendent case break. Who's winning this? Good luck, everybody. Here we go. We got the cup after this, don't we? Oh, yeah. Remember, baseball, you get extra hits. It's always nice. They're all stuck together. It's not as nice. All right. First up, Will Clark. 7 out of 15. Will Clark, all the way at the bottom here. That is Carriage House. One second here. I'll make this so I can update my list of who gets hits. Patch auto rookie, Luis Severino. 6 out of 25. That's D&H Martin. Oh, you remember that? Will Clark shoots. Jonathan Gray, rookie. There goes the J-Dog. 9 out of 20. Game used shoe size 6, Will Clark. USA, John Smoltz. 18 and under. Young Smoltz right there, holy cow. John Smoltz goes to DM Blau. 10 of 10. Stingburger. Ryan Sandberg, 1 out of 15. That's J-Dog. US&A, Kyle Schwarber. 24 out of 25. Jason H. Fractor, Schwarber. Nasty double patch right here. Freddie Freeman, 9 out of 10. Freddie goes to Chris Burak. Triple. Billy Herman, Chuck Klein, and Gabby Hartnett, 1 out of 5. Billy Herman is Vic 2222. Chuck Klein is Everything is Awesome. And Gabby Hartnett is Big Man 64. I have a random on that guy. And Roger Maris, 3 out of 10, Material Greats. That's one there. Maris goes to Shawnee Boy 1010. Alrighty. Let me go this side usually first on baseball. George Sisler. Number 20 out of 20. For the J-Dog X1. Diamond. Sapphire. How about Babe Ruth? He's good. 4 out of 10 on the Babe. On the J-Dog as well. Oh, look at that. J-Dog killing. Babe Ruth Sapphire. All right, and the autograph. Let's put this thing over it. 11 out of 25. I already know it's Nolan Ryan. Just by looking at the hat, I know it's Nolan Ryan. Nolan Ryan. That is going to be IMBP. Congrats, Brian. Well done, sir. Very nice. Great auto. Nolan Ryan, 11 of 25. All right, let's random off that triple. Let's random off the briefcase first while I have your guys' names listed in there. Let's do the briefcase here. Oops. Get rid of that. 3 times, top spot gets the briefcase. 1, 2, and 3. J-Dog. Alrighty. Put those in. Now we've got the triple. Herman, Klein, and Hartnett. Good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3. Goes to Billy Herman. And Billy Herman belongs to Vic 2222. Congrats, Vic. Alright, guys, that's it. Thanks again, everybody, for watching and joining. Until next time, peace.